Hey, good morning. We are back. We're at the pull apart here in Winston, July 4th, Independence Day. Before I go off to the lake, I meet my buddy Nick here, and he's going to join me for some picking. I got to get some stuff. I want to get some stuff. Today, looking primarily for some coil packs. I'm doing a coil on plug conversion on the MR2, and so I'll look for that. A couple other things on my list. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. But I'm excited to hang out with Nick. Such a sweet guy, such a nice guy that he's like, yeah, I'll come with you. I just want to hang. So, hey, that's awesome. Anyway, let's get in there and let's get hunting, see what we can find. Suzuki X90, 1997. You don't see these often. And when I was a kid, I thought these were so cool. Tri-spoke wheels. And something I didn't ever realize till a minute ago. Look at that interior. Oh, that's awesome. All right, so I took the T-tops off. Looking at eBay, it seems that they are worth some monies. Everything else, keep in here, I have no use for, but this should be around $70 total, should be, and we'll see in the end what my total is. But yeah, all right, heading back home. That was more costly than I was expecting. Ended up being $130. The T-tops were $55, I think, a piece. And then I got 4 coil packs from a Toyota Matrix. Again, I'm doing a coil on plug conversion on the Turbo MR2, and those were like 15 a piece for Denso Toyota units. So 60 plus the 110, it was like 170, 175, I guess, and then 30% off of that, and it came at like 130. So way more than I was expecting, but I really think I can make some money on those T-tops. Looking at eBay and looking at what has actually sold, not just what people are asking. Like, there's somebody selling T-tops for $800 each, $1,600, which is absolutely insane, plus $250 of shipping. That's absolutely nuts. So basically, this guy wants $1,800 for 2 T-tops. I just spent $110, $115, you know, with tax. Like, so what I'm thinking is list each one for $100, or maybe if I do each one at $110, selling one pays for both, and that's the kind of math that I dig. And I have the I don't think I spoke about this. I do have the factory covers for them. Oh, what the hell? This guy just stopped randomly. Sorry, like, there's nothing here. Anyway, so yeah. So anyway, I got the factory covers for them, like the pleather vinyl covers. I think I can make my money back, and yeah. So didn't get a lot today. I got stuff for my MR2. I got those 2 parts to sell, and that, you know, if I can sell those, it also pays for the entire coil on plug conversion, which would be cool. And again, it goes back to why I do some of this, why we do it. Like, it's making extra money to help pay for more car parts. So anyway, and I got to hang out with Nick, great guy. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Y'all have a good day. Enjoy the 4th. Enjoy this country we live in and the freedoms that we do have. There's a lot of great places in the world. I've been very fortunate, but man, this is a great country. So anyway, you have a good one. Happy picking. Take care.